to do, because having a really negative mood in a team for a very long time, that's exhausting. Did you ever have this? Not here, of course. But did you ever have like a bad vibe in the team for a long time?
But not here.
Oh, okay. Oh, you know.
Okay. With my...
Okay, she has to say that, people, so it's okay. It's okay. So, where were we? Bad vibes in team. So, bad vibes in team is all about talking about the elephant in the room. Can we put like here like a big elephant? So that's the thing we have to talk about. Because sometimes nobody says anything, and because nobody says anything, it just stays like this. Sometimes it's just about addressing the elephant in the room and saying, hey, I noticed that there's not such a great vibe lately. What's going on? Because often, we just assume things, but we don't know. The next step, though, would be after you addressed it, and of course you have to see whether it's true or not, because maybe it's just your own perception. Maybe everybody else is saying, no, this is like the party team. You have no idea. Whatever you're thinking, it's not true. Because sometimes people are also very sensitive to different, vibes, so it could also be that. But let's say you address the elephant in the room and there's some sort of agreement, yes, that something is going on. The next step would, of course, be to deal with the elephant in the room, because it's not enough just to say, hi, elephant, you're there, go away. Now we have to kind of like say, okay, let's look at you. Let's, how do I always have about petting? I have another video where I'm petting a baby. Anyways, we pet the elephant, okay? We be nice to him and we address it. So, acknowledging the presence is like kind of like the first step. Okay, so it's there. And then, of course, also you have to kind of like consider the timing. So sometimes it's not the right time to maybe deal or talk about the elephant. So you would need to find a quiet moment, maybe think about, should you be talking to people separately? Is it better if we have a team meeting and we bring it out? To see it. And then it's all about making a plan and finding solutions. And these solutions should not be prescribed, because the elephant is there because you are a team and it's a bad mood in the team. And so there should not be one person just making the solution, but it should be also be a team effort. So hearing everyone out, listening, hearing their perspective, and then trying to find solutions. So what could we do? And sometimes I really like, if something is really not going great, to just think about the ideal solution. So how would you ideally like to have the mood in the team? Or what would be a great solution? Because sometimes I think we can also just stay on the negative for too long. So I mean, we need to kind of like understand, yes, okay, what's going wrong. But sometimes you can also like break it down too much and just asking about, well, what would the exception be? Or if you would come tomorrow into our office, what would you like to see? What would you like to have changed? And really focusing on those things that are doable. So make sure you are talking about that elephant. And elephants are really cool animals. So I just want to say this, people, at the end. So elephants are not necessarily bad. No, other way around. Elephants are amazing. And so are sometimes the hidden issues in your team. So if you bring the elephant out, then afterwards the mood can go like you are walking on clouds. See you next time.